The Airbus A320neo was a game-changer for airlines, and the private jet market is taking notice. The A320neo was the European manufacturer's first next-generation aircraft, promising and delivering lower operating costs and better efficiency over previous generation Airbus A320s. The plane has the same basic design as its predecessor, but it has new engines and aerodynamically favorable sharklet wingtips, which help it consume less fuel and provide more range. Before we dive in, make sure you don't miss our next video and subscribe with the button down below. Let's get started. The Airbus A320 narrow-body airliner provides the basis for the ACJ320, which is the business jet variant of the aircraft. The addition of the variable fuel tanks and an increase in the service ceiling to 41,000 feet are among the enhancements. It was transformed into the ACJ320neo, which has a cabin that is nearly twice as large as a standard business jet, but has an exterior length, wingspan, and runway performance that are comparable to traditional business aircraft. With the maiden flight, which took place on November 16, 2018, a brief testing program for the additional fuel tanks and increased cabin pressurization was initiated. The first delivery was made on the 16th of January in 2019. The ACJ320neo is capable of transporting 25 people in its pressurized flat-floor cabin across 6,000 nautical miles in less than 13 hours, connecting London with Beijing or Moscow with Los Angeles. With a passenger capacity of up to 30, the ACJ320 Prestige is another VIP version available. There is greater inside room than on the A319, and there are two fuel tanks that can be removed for maintenance. It is propelled by two CFM56-5B4 turbofan engines, each which generate 27,000 pounds of thrust per cylinder. What are the capabilities of the Airbus ACJ320? Due to its status as the top-of-the-line business jet option, the ACJ line is frequently employed for VIP transportation, and it is also a permanent fixture in the operations of government agencies. Recent years have seen an increase in the number of A321s being used to replace the less fuel-efficient 757s in government operations. It is probable that the A321s will eventually completely replace the previous title holder. This is mostly due to a shift in the business jet industry's technological capabilities. The A320 symbolizes the peak of business jet transportation, including a massive maximum takeoff weight, efficient wingtip fences, and a range of up to 4,300 nautical miles, among other features. For VIP travel, greater degrees of freedom in terms of conceivable combinations provide up even more possibilities for customization. Depending on your preferences, the alternative bedroom and office chambers in the spacious cabin may be divided from the third area, which can be utilized for more public functions. The Airbus Business Jet series has long been recognized for its adaptability, which is entirely appropriate. The ACJ series of business jets is the only one that is now capable of flying on all 7 continents, including Antarctica. The ACJ320neo is a big cabin business jet that redefines expectations for the next decade. In addition to an open-plan forward lounge and a more private rear lounge, there is a conference dining room in the middle of the cabin. It is located at the back of the aircraft, where you will find your own private master bedroom with a king-size bed and a beautiful ensuite bathroom with a huge rectangular shower. There's enough room for 19 people to roam about freely in the cabin, allowing them to arrive at their destination feeling refreshed and calm. Do you know about the power of the Airbus ACJ320? When operating at ISA plus 29 degrees Celsius, the ACJ320 is powered by two CFMI CFM56-5B turbofan engines, each which provides 27,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft is also available with engines from the IAV2527M 5A family. The time between overhauls is 15,900 hours. What are the key features of the Airbus ACJ320? In the A320, you'll find a luxury cabin with approximately 100 square meters of room, which allows for virtually endless customization and layout configuration options. They may be completely customized to include distinct and independent living rooms, a separate and spacious master bedroom, fully stocked private office areas, and even a peripheral section for required staff workers. Standard seating accommodates 8 to 18 passengers, although the A320 may accommodate up to 44 passengers if the suitable configuration is used on board. In order to maintain its status as a real VIP aircraft, the ACJ320 includes a cabin that is totally dedicated to first-class seats. In comparison to the other Airbus corporate jets, the A321 has an even bigger cabin, making it the widest and tallest cabin of any business jet. It also has even more capacity and floor area than the other A321 variants. Its passengers will enjoy even more of what they have come to expect and enjoy from the Airbus family: spaciousness and comfort, which the A321 delivers in plenty. The ACJ318 and ACJ319, as well as the ACJ320 and ACJ321, provide passengers with the option of selecting the most appropriate aircraft for their requirements. How much can an Airbus ACJ320 accommodate? Typically, the Airbus ACJ320 can carry 19 passengers and has the biggest cross-section and the highest headroom of any business jet. In order to satisfy the needs of charter VIP operations, corporate shuttles, and government service, it is feasible to build business and conference centers, lounge spaces, private rooms, and full-height showers. Other amenities may include a private bath, a fully equipped food kitchen, DVD players, and built-in phones, among other things. Even though the ACJ320's exceptionally large cabin can be configured to serve a variety of functions, it's anticipated that the vast majority of customers will choose to arrange the cabin for passenger seating, in addition to office and conference space, sleeping quarters, lavatory facilities, and crew quarters. The cabin is more than 90 feet in length and 12 feet in width. Even when equipped with 2 additional center tanks, ACTs, the residual space of 28 cubic meters, 1,000 cubic feet, is sufficient to convey more than 200 normal suitcases when transported in bulk. Furthermore, because of its 2 huge cargo doors that extend outward, the ACJ320 is capable of transporting big-sized travel cases. What is pioneering technology used in Airbus ACJ320 that makes it special? Because of the contemporary designs of the ACJ family, they provide a greater number of standard features. They include streamlined, aerodynamically efficient designs, pilot-pleasing common cockpits, fly-by-wire controls that save weight and maintenance, while also providing greater protection, weight-saving materials such as carbon fiber, and time and cost-saving centralized maintenance, among other features. What are the design features of the Airbus ACJ320? In its most basic configuration, the Airbus ACJ320 is a large-cabin, medium-range corporate aircraft with a cantilevered swept low-wing monoplane with swept empennage and cantilevered tail. Each unit of the retractable tricycle landing gear is equipped with 2 wheels. ACJ320, like other Airbus aircraft, has a high level of automation, and it is equipped with features such as fly-by-wire, throttle-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and steer-by-wire. It has a seating capacity of 30 people and a range of 4,100 nautical miles, 7,600 kilometers. It has 2 detachable fuel tanks. So how does the Airbus ACJ320 look on the inside? While the warm browns and soft beige color schemes create a sense of well-being, the superb combination of furniture, materials, fittings, and mood lighting set a new level in terms of elegance, quality, and comfort. The interior's beautiful and expansive design is a work of art. Stay connected during your journey with our 19 individual iPads and 4 giant TV displays located around the aircraft. What does avionics mean? Flight deck innovations such as fly-by-wire controls, an efficient and uncluttered instrument panel, and the use of side sticks for pilots were first implemented on the Airbus A320 series, which was a world first. In place of the dials and gauges seen on older generation aircraft, 6 interchangeable liquid crystal displays, LCDs, are included on the primary instrument panel, allowing the 2-person crew to quickly and easily assimilate the information. The fly-by-wire controls prevent the aircraft from overspeeding or stalling while keeping the aircraft's operation well within the aircraft's structural boundaries. Side-stick controllers eliminate the need for the center-mounted control columns found on other aircraft, allowing for a clear view of the instrument panel and the most effective use of the aircraft's fly-by-wire control system. Flight information, including navigation displays, is provided by the Electronic Flight Information System, while the electronic centralized aircraft monitor provides information on engine instrumentation and warnings, as well as information on aircraft systems, is provided by electronic centralized aircraft monitor. Entertaining and elegance is what it's all about. Our cabin staff is able to provide freshly cooked meals in flight thanks to a fully equipped galley. Whether you prefer a more personal dinner or want to host a banquet-style meal for a large group of people, our menus ensure that only the finest foods from local sources are utilized. What is the pricing and charter cost of the Airbus ACJ320? The typical price for a pre-owned Airbus ACJ320neo varies depending on a variety of factors, but it is now $108 million. A $54 million loan amortized over 120 months at a rate of $225,000 a month equates to $2,707,760.58 payment per period on a $54 million loan. Assuming 450 annual owner-operated hours at $4.25 per gallon fuel cost, the Airbus ACJ320neo has total variable expenses of $1,961,662.50, total fixed costs of $374,075, and an annual budget of $2,335,737.50, according to the Airbus ACJ320neo cost model. This equates to a wage of $5,190.53 per hour. Well, this is it for today. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and check out our next video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.